Hello guys, you're welcome once again over here on this platform, and today in this video I want us to explore around this busy market. And this market is one of the most popular market in the greater Accra region. The name of this market is Makola Market, which is located in Ghana. And guys, Accra is the capital city of Ghana. So guys, Ghana is also located in West Africa. So as you can see, people are really busy selling, and others are also really buying what they need in this market. And as you can see, a lot of people came to the market, and the market is choked. So guys, I want us to explore around for you to see how this market is. And I want you to feel the real sound of African market. And you have to note this: when you come over here in this market, you have to be very, very careful, else your things, your money or your mobile phone is going to be taken away. Do you get me? Yeah, someone is going to steal your mobile phone or your money in your bag. So you have to be very, very careful with your bag and your pockets. Do you get me? So guys, let's move around, and as you can see, this place is really, really choked. A lot of people came over here, and their vehicles and also huge boiler in front. That is the reason why the place is really choked. So join me whilst we explore around. And also, if you are interested in this kind of content and you really like more of this content, please don't forget to tap on the subscribe button. Then look beside the subscribe button. After tapping on it, you're going to see a bell over there. Tap on it and choose or select or to get notified when I drop in a new content. And as you already know, on this channel I explore places for you to see how and what is really going on in marketplaces and areas. So guys, keep on watching whilst we explore. Let's go. Let's not forget, this market is called Makola Market. So we are moving from Makola Market to Tudu Market. Then we are going to end the video over here. I just want you guys to explore and experience how this place really looks like. And as you can see, there is a very huge bala over here, and this is really, really bad. So guys, just keep on watching the video whilst we explore the real popular market, which is Makola Market, from this place to Tudu Market. So guys, join me whilst we go. So guys, we are on our way to the market, and as you can see, the street is occupied by humans and not vehicles, because a lot of people came to the market, and this is the #1 popular market that people really visit always, unless Sundays. When you come over here on Sundays, you are not going to see a lot of people. What you're going to see is vehicles. Do you get me? So as you can see, when you look at my right hand side, you're going to see a yellow building over there. That is Tudu Fire Service. It's in between Tudu and also Makola. So guys, let's try our best to enter the market. So keep on watching this video whilst we enter Tudu Market. And when you enter Tudu Market, it's a very big market, and when you enter, you are going to see a station over there. There's a very big station that the vehicle leads you to your destination, and most of the time it moves from Ghana to Nigeria. I mean, when you want to visit Nigeria, or you want to go to Nigeria or Togo, just come over here in this market and you are going to get vehicles to your destination in Nigeria and Togo. But I don't know whether when you come over here into the market you're going to get vehicles to other African countries. I don't actually know, but what I know is you are going to get vehicle to Nigeria and Togo, and also the vehicles round leads you to any part of Accra. If you want to go to Nima, Fadama, Malam, you just have to come over here. You're going to get vehicles to those places. Do you get me? So guys, as you can see, we are entering to the market, and this place is also one of the most popular clothing market in the greater Accra region. So guys, join me whilst we explore around. Tell me whatever you see over here. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section down below, and if you've not yet tapped on the subscribe button, you have to do so. So let's go. This is Tudu Market. So guys, those who don't know Tudu Market, this is the Well Tudu Market, and you are welcome once again over here. Keep on watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. It's very important. I've repeated this because I want you to subscribe to watch my videos always when I post this kind of content. So let's go. So guys, that was Makola Market, and this place is Studio Market. And I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because it's very important to subscribe to the channel to get more content like this. See you in our next video. Share this video with your friends. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section down below. Bye.